Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Be impeccable with your word. Release the need to be right. When you believe something, you assume you're right. You may even destroy relationships in order to defend your position. Let go of the need to defend your position. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 225, Nasdaq off 63, S&P's off 24, gold contract up $29, trading at a price of $1,363 an ounce. Silver up $1.16 at $22.95. Platinum up 19 at $1,524 an ounce. Copper up 2 pennies at $3.35 a pound. Light sweet crude flat at $107.23. Bonds down 36 at $131.22. King dollar down 588 ticks, trading out at 81.17. The euro up 101 at 133.56, and the yen down 88, trading out at 97.27. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay. So, first was the Dow Industrials that got back inside the May 22nd. S&Ps got back inside there yesterday. Today we get the expansion of volume. We're at 1661 cash S&P. Bottom line is that what you're going to see. Let's see. So, your last swing point down here, folks, is the 1588 to the 1560 level. Now, that's where it wants to go. And this is where it's going to get pretty cool here. We got the volume today, got the expansion and price, expansion and volume, all of the above. Couldn't make it to the top side, gave it up there. Now we're coming into a Friday. So when you're coming into a Friday in the summer, we're going to have a contraction of volume tomorrow. That contraction of volume, I suspect the S&P can get down probably, I mean, this is 230 points. That's a big number. I'm looking at, you can get down another 10, 15 points. And then you'll probably get some kind of a bounce. And more than likely, what you'll see a small A to B equals C to D on the way down. We'll get some kind of a bounce. It'll be like next Monday or something. But bottom line, this market's going south. Dow Industrials. Dow gets smoked, no doubt. Well, the S&P's got smoked too. The Dow is going to reach that June 22nd, June 24th low a lot quicker though. So we are at 15,111. The top of that bar is only $300 down. So it's like, really? $300 is nothing. I mean, we could have done $300 today. Had an expansion in volume, did all of the above. Inside the Dow Industrials, you want to see how prices go back to, last time with volume on the way up. It's all over the place. Just taking them to the cleaners. Cisco came down $1.80, 129 million shares, gapped away. What you're going to see with Cisco now, Cisco's going to go finish cleaning up this gap. And that's a big number because that means that Cisco would have gone from $27 down to $21.15. $21.15 is the number that that little baby wants to go to. Home Depot, HD. What you have with Home Depot? Home Depot come down, had an expansion of volume, 13 million shares. She's going after that swing point of June 24th. You gotta get something your head wrapped around here. Home Depot was one of the best stocks going up. And that's it. And it's a natural retracement. But, baby, it's going there. It's going there. The retracement's on. We take a look at Walmart. Walmart didn't make their numbers, missed by a penny. Walmart, huge volume on the way down. I mean, huge volume. Walmart did 13 million shares. She's going after the swing point. That swing point we're talking about is 73.01. She got to 74.03. She's going to blow that swing point away. Walmart is going to make a run and try to get inside. Now, this is going to be wild for Walmart. She's going to try to get inside $67. Now, if she does that, what is going to happen is this, is that it took Walmart forever, okay, to get to over the $70 level. I mean, when I say forever, folks, I'm talking about 1999. It was trying to break that level. It finally broke it about 2 years ago, right? Yeah, 1 year ago, okay? Broke it 1 year ago. Now, guess what? It's going to try to stick its heads back inside there. It gets back inside there. That puts Walmart down at $42. Big number. No doubt about that. Nasdaq Composite. We take a look at the composite. So, composite gaps away today, down 63 bucks. Has an expansion of volume. We are at 36.06. Now, the Nasdaq still has, composite still hasn't got back inside its range. That range is another 70 bucks down. You know, it's good. It's going there. You know, we'll see what's going to get it there. If you take a look at the expansion and we take a look at the SPYs, what you're going to see is this. The SPYs today did 140 million shares. Huge expansion of volume. You're talking about after you make highs at 91 million. You know, the identifications out there. The SPY, we're at 166, wants to run to 158 to 155. The 3 Qs, same setup in the 3 Qs. What you have with the 3 Qs, she came off the highs with 37 million shares, and she's close to 74.95. Okay, she's getting close to getting back inside. The number, May 22nd, for the 3 Qs, mean it would be a false break, top side, is 74.95. We are at 75.51. The diamonds got smoked. If we go over to the small caps, we take a look at the small caps. Had an expansion of volume. That is not inside there also. We are 2 points over it right now. We're at 102.11. Gold contract. Let's go take a look at gold. You had a huge reversal in gold out here. Gold today went up $29. You're at 1363. You did 213,000 contracts. Gold is basically into the bar, the downdraft from that April level. It reached 1369 out here. The A to B equals C to D is 1385 on gold. That's how that shakes out. Silver, big day out in silver out here. SIU 3. What you have with silver is that silver goes up $1.15, and the lows out there, yeah, silver wants like 25 bucks. It's pretty intense, actually. You talk about expansion off bottoms, folks, about as good as you get. Now, what did happen is that, I'm sure you heard it, the 13F filings had come out, and bottom line, John Paulson, they got him out at the lows in that gold market. He sold 11,600,000 shares. He does have 10,234,000,000 shares left. That's as of the last filing. Just on a speculative basis, you figure that number there, folks, okay, Paulson took a beating of about 735 million on the GLDs in that. And that number, you know, can fluctuate maybe by about 30 or 40 million, but that's about it. So he's taken quite a beating. You know, now the GLD, we'll see. The amazing part that you really want to understand about that, though, and depending on how long you've been listening to the program, is that that's what it took to get a bottom in gold. And it's just amazing. But guess what? Everyone was watching that. And even, you know, I saw when that gold got killed that day, that's how I speculated right on the air. I said, man, I wonder if they got him out. And when I say they, it's the market, folks. It's not anyone in particular. It's just the squeezing. The amount that comes down, you know, when that baby, you know, just shot down there and got out. And that's what it takes, though, to get a solid bottom in gold. In anything, not just gold. Let's go take a look at Nordstrom, JWN. Let's see, what is Nordstrom, JWN, that closed at 59.33. That is trading at 57.75. And let's see, they missed their revenue number. Yeah, they missed their revenue number, top line number, and the earnings per share was 93. So you got a couple dollars down. Oh, she's going to do an ABC down. Oh, man. Yeah, she's going to do an ABC down. Bond market. Let's go take a look at the bond market. Now, this is going to get really interesting, too, because what you have with the bond market, folks, is this. Bonds get down big. But what you did is that you got down to 131.01, and the baby come all the way back and closed at 131.26. Now, check this out. This is amazing, because 131.26 gets it inside the range, meaning it was a rejection of lower price. It stayed inside the range, and it did that with lighter volume. That's sick. So check this out, 396,000 contracts versus 427. If you actually look at the 10-year, the 10 years, my take on this, that's the bottom in bonds. You know, money's going to fly at the bonds now because this market's going to get toasted, roasted. Get that peanut butter and jelly out. Get that butter out. Get that cream cheese out. Coming right back, folks.